Sarvangasana. Lie down in Shavasana, breathe in and lift both legs at a time until you are in the Dvipada Uttanasana. Continue the upward motion and lift the back off the ground using both arms to support the lower back. Keep your trunk and legs in a straight line by supporting the entire trunk on the shoulders. Breathe in a shallow manner while concentrating on the healthy pressure at the throat region. Release the posture after 10 to 15 seconds, and while breathing out, slowly come back to the Shavasana. Roll your head from side to side to ease away any pressure that may have accumulated in the neck. After a short relaxation, repeat the practice 2 more times. Sarvangasana stimulates the endocrine system and is especially good for the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is in charge of body metabolism, and increased metabolic activity burns up the excess calories effectively. Those suffering from neck problems and infections of the head and neck region must avoid Sarvangasana. Halasana. From Shavasana, lift both legs up towards the sky on the in-breath. Take the legs over the head until the toes touch the ground beyond the head. Do not bend the knees. Stretch the arms out behind the back or hold on the lower back with the elbows on the ground. Breathe in a shallow manner while concentrating on the healthy pressure at the throat region. Those who have neck problems shouldn't do this posture as it may aggravate the neck pain. Release the posture after 10 to 15 seconds, and while breathing out, slowly come back to the Shavasana. Roll your head from side to side to ease away any pressure that may have accumulated in the neck. Paschimottanasana. Sit in Uttanasana, breathe in and raise your arms over your head. Clasp the fingers together and turn them up to perform Dandasana. Slowly bend forward with emphasis on your lower back until you can catch your big toes with your index finger and thumb. Stretch up and then bend further forward until your face rests on your knees. Hold the posture for 10 to 30 seconds with gentle breathing. When ready, release the fingers and stretch back up into the Dandasana. Come back to the Uttanasana. Lie down in Shavasana and relax for some time with deep breathing. This posture helps to stretch the entire back and tones up the abdominal organs. Digestion is improved and body metabolism speeded up. Abdominal fat is also burnt away. Patients of hypertension and back troubles should avoid Paschimottanasana. Dhanurasana. From Unmukhasana, fold both your knees and catch hold of the feet with the respective hands. Raise your head and chest and also the thighs by tugging on the hands and legs so that your entire spine is arched backwards like a bow. Look up and feel the stretch in the entire back. Hold for a few seconds and then relax back in the face-prone posture. Dhanurasana massages all the abdominal organs and restores proper function to the digestive system. Repeat the Dhanurasana at least 2 more times for the maximum benefit. Do not do this posture if you suffer from any diseases of the liver or kidneys, as the intense pressure may be too much for the weak organs. Padahastasana. Stand in Samastiti Asana and slowly raise your arms up as you breathe in. Maintain the stretch and bend forward, bringing your hands to the ground as you breathe out. Place your palms on either side of your feet. Breathe in and look up, stretching your neck. Breathe out and bring your forehead to your knees. This posture gives a good stretch to the entire spine and provides an improved flow of blood to the upper part of the body by virtue of being one of the poses where the head is below the heart. When ready, breathe in and come up to the standing pose by slowly raising your arms and torso in a steady manner. Bring your hands back to your sides and relax in the Samastiti Asana. Stand in Samastiti Asana. Place your feet 2 to 3 feet apart and stretch the arms to the sides so that they are pulling the chest in opposite directions. Turn to the right side and slowly bring the right hand down to the right foot and place the palm of the right hand on the ground in front of the right foot. Look up at the middle finger of the left hand. Let the entire torso get a good twist and stretch. Hold the position for 30 seconds while performing deep breathing. Release and come back up to the open arm position. And then do the opposite side by placing your left hand down in front of the left foot. Hold the position for 30 seconds while performing deep breathing. When ready, slowly come back up to the Samastiti Asana and relax with a few rounds of deep breathing. Shavasana. Lie supine on the ground with your head preferably to the north, enabling your body to be in alignment with the Earth's electromagnetic field. Make sure that your head and body are in a straight line, while your hands are kept relaxed by your side with the palms facing upwards. Bring your feet together and then let your 4 feet fall away into a V shape with your heels as close together as possible. Start to consciously watch your breath by letting your awareness settle in the abdominal area. Feel the abdominal movements as your abdomen rises as you breathe in and falls as you breathe out. After a few rounds of this practice, slowly let your awareness settle at the tip of your nose. Feel the cool, inspired air flowing into your nostrils as you breathe in and become aware of the warm, expired air flowing out of the nostrils when you breathe out. Consciously regulate your breath so that the duration of the incoming and outgoing breaths is equal. The inspiration and expiration can be for a count of 4 or 6 initially, and then with practice, elongated to a count of 8 or 10. Perform at least 9 rounds of this conscious deep breathing and enjoy the relaxed sensation that spreads throughout your body. The relaxation in Shavasana can be further deepened by utilizing the Savitri Pranayama to relax and rejuvenate your body, emotions, and mind. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 6. Hold in the breath for a count of 3. Breathe out through your nose for a count of 6. Finally, hold the breath out for a count of 3. Make sure that you are breathing in and out through both nostrils and that you are using the complete yogic breathing. Perform at least 9 rounds of this combination practice that heightens the relaxation to a very deep level. Shavasana is a relaxing and energizing posture in which the body, emotions, and mind are united in the process of conscious relaxation. 15 minutes of Shavasana, properly performed, is equal to more than 1 hour of refreshing sleep.